Okay, we are going to solve the question number 3 in summative exercise. Okay, we look at the question now. Lisa cycles passing her house to the shop along a straight pedestrian path. The displacement S. Okay, so the S is given in this function, so we take out as 2/3 cubed minus 9t squared plus 12t plus 6. Okay, and then the t is in between 0 to 4. Okay, assume the motion to the right is positive, so means to the left will be negative. Okay, look at A. A calculate, okay, number 1, the initial velocity. So initial velocity means we are going to find v when t equals to 0. So this is very straightforward question. So we substitute t equals to 0, we will get s. But now we are asked about v. So how to get v from s? So we need to differentiate the function of s. So v will be ds dt. Okay, so we will get 6t squared minus 18t plus 12. So when t equals to 0, we substitute in the function, we will get 12. So 12, the unit is meter per minute. Okay, A2, the velocity. So velocity also v, still v. We want to find the v when t is 3. T is 3. So v will be substituted in the same function. T is 3, so 6 times 3 power of 2 minus 18 times 2 by 3 plus 12. Okay. So this one 54 minus 54 is 0. Then we have 12. Okay, same answer as number 1. Okay, so I continue with number 3 now. Okay, the acceleration. Okay, acceleration means A. Okay, in meter per minute squared when t is 2. Okay, when t is 2. So what is the A? So A from v will be dv dt. So we have this function v. So dv dt, straight away we get A. So dv dt will be 12t minus 18. Okay, then when we have t equals to 2, A will be 12 times 2 minus 18. So the answer will be 24 minus 18, which is 6 meter per minute square. So settle for question number 3. Okay, then A number 4, the distance in meter traveled by Lisa in the 7 minutes. Okay, this 7 minutes means it is from 6 to 7. Right? So we will substitute from S. Since we are asked to find the distance, so we will use S, where S7 minus S6. Okay, so we will substitute T is 7. T is 7, then minus T is 6. So S7 will be 2, 7, then 7 squared plus 12 times 7 plus 6. So this one will give us 335. Okay. Okay, then we calculate for S6. When t is 6, then we substitute in the same function. So 6 squared plus 12 times 6, then plus 6. So this will give us 186. So for question number 4, S7 minus S6 will be 335 minus 186. So the answer will be 149 meter. Okay, lastly we have B. Sketch a velocity time. So means we are asked to find to sketch the graph of v against t. Okay, so v against t, we look at v. The function of v is 6t squared minus 18t plus 12. Okay, so look at the quadratic function. The quadratic function shows that a is positive. Okay, a is positive. We know that it is minimum parabola. Okay, then we need to find the roots. So what's the roots is when v is 0. So 6t squared minus 18t plus 12 will be equals to 0. Then we can factorize. Okay, before this we divide by 6. Okay. So we factorize t minus 1 minus 2. So t is 1 and 2. So from here we know minimum, and we know it is t1 and 2. And the y-intercept, okay, here c is 12. So we know that the minimum point will be 1.5. Okay, the minimum point will be with x 1.5 or 3 over 2. Okay, because the center here. Okay, so you can find what is the velocity or what is the y value when t equals to 1.5. So you can substitute in. Okay, so you will get 6 3 over 2 squared minus 18 3 over 2 plus plus 12. Okay, so we get the minimum value of v, it is negative 1.5. Okay, so this is a answer for B. We know that it is a 1, 2 here. So we sketch the graph first. Okay, so this is 12 and this is 1, this is 2, and when it is the minimum point here, it is negative 3 over 2 or 1.5. So this is the minimum point, which is 3 over 2 and negative 3 over 2. Okay, so negative 1.5. Okay, but the domain given is 0 to 4. So 0 is 12, but what happened when it is 4? So we need to identify what is the value of y here. Okay, so you substitute t equals to 4 in the same function. So 6 t power of 2 is 4 power of 2. Then minus 18 times 4 plus 12. So the answer is 36. So then we label here, it is 36. So we have solved the problem of question number 3.